Welcome back to the Jefferson Sisters. Today we're going to be making slime. So this is what happened. So my mom bought me some glue for Christmas, and then she couldn't find it. So then we've been looking for it for months, and then we finally found it yesterday. So we're going to be making slime with it.
Yes, and we're going to be using Tide.
This is my mom's Tide.
This is her Tide, and that's her glue. That's the god. Okay.
Alright, this is how much we poured.
Yes.
I hope you guys can see how much we poured.
Now she's going to put some
And we're going to pour a little bit of Tide at a time.
Yeah, just a little.
We're going to just pour a little bit at a time. Okay? So, we don't mess up. And when we do mess up, we'll fix it.
Yes.
Okay, guys. See, look. We have our Tide in here. We're going to be pouring some in.
Oh, guys, it's blue.
Good, guys.
That was easy.
We're going to mix it.
Yes. Can I mix it? No? Oh, that's cool. Guys, do you want to see it? Oh,
Look.
it's not really good enough, but we're going to mix it really good. Our other slime was great. Guys, did you see the bunny rabbit one?
Alright, we're going to pour a little bit more glue. Look. We poured a little bit more glue in so it can get better. And this is what it looks like, but it's not done yet, guys. I'm going to mix it with my hands a little bit so it can get better. See? Ooh, it's getting better, guys.
It's getting real good.
Look. I just need to keep on
It's really
kneading
pretty.
it. Guys, it got really better.
Yeah. It squeaks.
Now it's really good. It's not like
The jiggly slime.
It's not too tidy.
Yeah, it's not too
perfect.
sticky.
It's gonna need a little bit more Tide. I have a little more Tide in the bowl, so I put a little bit more Tide, and now I'm gonna mix it.
With her hands.
Knead it.
Guys, it looks really good.
And guys, you guys can make slime too. Just ask your parents to buy you glue and Tide, just like me.
Or you can just use Tide.
No, you can't just use. But this slime is perfecto.
Yes, it's
So,
really good.
like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be doing a lot more videos. I was gonna add color to this slime, but I don't know where my paint is, so I can't add color. But the next time that I find my paint, I'm gonna add some more color. Like and subscribe to my. Oh, guys, we're gonna add some paint. Go get your paint, Sissy.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna add some. Get red paint. We're gonna add some red paint so this can be red slime.
That's all?
Yeah, just red. Yeah. How you guys think this is gonna look? You guys can put any color. We're not gonna be using food coloring today because we don't have no food coloring right now. But we're gonna be using just red paint because red paint works too. If you guys don't have food coloring, then you can use red paint. My sister's trying to find her red paint right now. But just look at the slime. This is cool. All you have to do is just
I can't find it, Sissy.
Go look at the restroom under the sink.
Okay.
My sister's trying to find it. I hope she finds it so we can color it. Different colors.
I found it!
Okay, she found it, so we're gonna add some red paint. Open it up. My sister's gonna open it up and put one drop in there.
Sissy, are you gonna pour it in the bowl?
Put one drop. That's good. Alright guys, you put a little bit of red paint in it. Look.
It's like like it's dying.
It's starting to turn kind
Yes,
of red.
pink, kind of pink.
Yeah, it's starting to turn kind of pink.
Maybe
Look,
we're
guys.
gonna put blue. Should we put some blue?
No. Put one more drop.
Okay.
Right there. We're gonna put one more drop. A little itty bitty bit. That's good, that's good. You put way too much. You got red paint on me.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
My sister got red paint on me, but look.
It was just an accident.
Yeah, it was just an accident. I'll get it off later, guys, but look.
Yeah, it's really good, huh?
Yeah.
You guys can try because ours turned out great.
So you guys can try. And this turned out to be pink. And that's
Yes.
good because I didn't really want red. I was seeing if it will hopefully turn into pink. That's why I used it. Because like one time we were making oobleck in our class and my friend used red and I used green because I didn't want it to be red. And his turned pink. How'd
yours turn?
Green. Mine turned green. But you guys can use food coloring or paint, whichever one that you want. And like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe to my brother's YouTube channel. And have a good day, guys. Bye.